Hello active traders, this is Ken Calhoun from Day Trading University and Trade Mastery. You can see Tilray knocked it out of the park. I was in overnight. Unfortunately, I was only in 15 shares, but still up almost $70 for me in this one overnight swing trade that I'm still holding. I'd bought all three of the pot stocks I trade, Tilray, CGC, and Cron, into the close on Friday, and worked out nice today. Schwang! Here's my current active portfolio. The most weight is in UVXY. I'm still in 100 shares. It's up over $200, and TVIX up 156. So I'm in a handful of different small positions, getting ready to scale into them as we move forward. Again, I'm Ken Calhoun. For learning how to trade like I do, you may want to join me at tradingtheopen.com. As always, all information is for educational use only. Here's something I put together from today's trades. I was really proud of these because I had bought in 350 shares on the way up here, and then I sold it at the exact top at 1950 and 1951 going into the close of the day. Okay, this is an extended hours chart. It goes past the 4 o'clock close, but this was the close right here at 4 p.m. and I sold it at almost exactly within a few pennies of the exact top using two sequential market orders between 3:58 and 4 p.m. Cutting it close there, but knocked it out of the park in TVIX today. Up nicely, 516. That's kind of my target for a day. If I do $500 or more, so this is kind of on the low end of my target. I like to do 800 to 1,000, but it's still a $500 day. Beats a kick in the head. So a good day today in a down market day. Let's take a look at a couple of charts so you can see what I was trading. Main chart was TVIX. I was trading it on the way up here, a nice big run up, and I gave my live room members calls for this as well throughout the morning. Ran up again after 11, and then the classic end of day close in TVIX, which I nailed 350 shares on the way up and sold it all right near the exact top. So that was a lot of fun. Some other hot charts of the day. Let's see, what else am I in? I'm in UGAZ. It ran up nicely on the day. I'm also in a little bit of VXX and UVXY. I'm also in UWT as well. So lots of good charts to work with. Today was great. We called a nice big epic winning short for our live room members in MDCO on the way down earlier today. I was not trading this one myself because I'm trading out of a set buy right now, so I can't short, but I called it short for my members on the way down, and that worked out nicely. Same thing with Twitter. An epic fail, a big drop. I almost bought the bounce if it was going to get back over 42, but it never did, so I didn't buy an end of day bounce. But I did call it short for my members on the way down. And Twitter had a nice big spike on the upside and then a big rollover to the downside. TQQQ, of course, goes opposite to our instruments like SQQQ. Exact mirror image. The TVIX was good to me. This is a tricky instrument because you have to, it does a classic. I got stopped out up here. I think I bought the exact top and then got stopped out on the way down for a tiny, inexpensive stop. Tried to get another bounce and got stopped out. But then I got, I think it was 2 or 3 wins on the way up there, and then again here, and then again there. So more than made up for it. And so, anyway, this is an instrument where you buy support, sell resistance. Buy the dip, sell the rally. Buy the dip, sell the breakout. Buy the dip, sell the breakout. Buy the dip, sell the breakout. So easier said than done, though. It's a challenging instrument, but plenty of opportunity to trade this. This was, at one point this morning, the most active traded instrument in the whole stock market. It was on the leaderboard at number 1 in terms of volume. So really good volatility to work with. So Look at the daily chart. The reason I'm eager to play this, especially once it gets back over 20, is there's so much upside potential in it, right? Last time the market sold off back at the tail end of last year, it was way up at 80, which is 4 times where it's currently at. So if we get anything similar or more than a sell-off, which I anticipate we likely will, this guy could easily be way up over 100 a share. So they'll split it, once it gets up to 70, 80 a share. They always do, and it'll drop back down. But anyway, it's kind of a nice basing formation for a potential big run up for swing and day trade. So that's why I'm doing both in TVIX and also swing trading UVXY. I'm not day trading UVXY because there's better intraday volatility in TVIX. Another big momentum runner today, not only UWT, kind of a bounce in our oil ETF, but LabD, the biotech triple bear, ran all the way from a base of 22 up to 24. And again, that's kind of a parting thought. Notice the whole number support and resistance. 22 was support within a dime or so, and 24 was the exact resistance. So learning that, and here's the midday mid-range bounce right at 23, whole number, right? So 24, 23, 22. Whole numbers have a lot of validity in price action experienced day trading. So it's all good, but TVIX, I solved the puzzle for it today and knocked it out of the park, buying on each of the moves up and did well with it. So to learn more, be sure to join me in my live room at tradingtheopen.com. Be great to see you there. We got so many smart traders here. We're not one of those pump and dump POS $3 stock hotkey video game type of rooms. We're much more intelligent, having run the room for 20 years now, since days of yore. I do a lot of testing and everything for everybody, so flipping through my notes here. I'm trying to find the slide that shows the date which I founded this. So we're on our 20th year now. Back in August of 2000 is when I first launched tradingtheopen.com, and I've been here 2 decades, so a long time. And hopefully I've got a few things I can share with you to teach you how to trade the right way, because otherwise it's really tricky. So it's important to know when to enter and when to exit, and I provide all that and more exclusively at www.tradingtheopen.com. See you there. Do be sure to join my live room. I am the right guy to learn how to day trade from. I'm not on social media all over the place, but I'm busy doing research and testing and trading and teaching the world's traders. So anyway, best wishes for success in your trades. Make it a good one. Bye for now.